Hey everyone, welcome back to CiKATA. I was just pondering something just a few minutes ago. How can we improve employee engagement using leader-standard work? What do you think, Charles?
Thank you, Alex. I think we can all agree that when it comes to high employee turnover, it can usually be traced to a difficult category of work: challenging work conditions, poor onboarding processes, inexperienced supervisors or managers, or other. Before we dig in, let's define leader standard work. In most industries, leader standard work refers to routine activities that represent the current or target best practices for leaders in managing organizational work processes, whether in manufacturing or in cross-functional value streams. CiKATA's leader standard work methodology features a shared accountability between leader and direct report that is evaluated daily or several times a day using visual controls such as accountability boards. Now, let's explore 3 ways to improve employee retention using leader standard work. The first step is to develop a framework that infuses leader standard work practices with the values and expectations of everyone on the team. To accomplish this, we insert an engagement kata that is defined by CiKATA's Leader Engagement Kaizen event. This event will use CiKATA's systems mapping framework to discover relationship gaps between leaders and their direct reports. These gaps are then targeted to be closed. The outcome of this Kaizen event will provide input to both leader standard work as well as the employee standard work kata. The second step is to update the leader standard work with employee engagement solutions from the systems mapping Kaizen event. This will connect employees with their leaders for mentoring sessions and improvement activities that are aligned with an employee's goals and performance objectives. The frequency of these activities are scheduled to assure employees' concerns are being listened to, opportunity to grow or excel in the organization, and to obtain leader feedback on a planned basis. This approach is very similar to Toyota's coaching kata and replaces the common auditing of work performance resident in most organizations today. The third and last step for a new leader standard work engagement model is tested and communicated by a leader standard work accountability system that publicly shares the status or progress of the engagement or coaching katas. While leader standard work is common in many industries, it can be modified to focus on key organizational challenges and objectives, such as employee retention. Drop a comment below and smash the link below to schedule a free consultation. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more useful topics.